Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to work on our last math sheet for the week, and it is 98A, Guided Class Practice. If you're already worked already ahead of this, then just, I guess, don't worry about this video. But for those of us who are following along, I'm going to teach you how to do this math. Okay, so we put our name down and it says draw a 2-inch line segment for your name. And because Saxon Math is an American product, we do math in inches. But we also have the centimeters because we're Canadian. So let's just measure that. So 2 inches comes out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Put your name down because we want to stay in practice for that. Now our date for the week, today is Friday, is April the 17th, 2020. Our tally marks for the week, for the day, are 15. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And don't worry if you go over the box, it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Friday. Okay, so here it says, write the number 89 2 more times. 1, 2. So let's do that. Our numbers, again, always start at the top and go down to the bottom and then back up. The 8 happens to come all the way back up. The 9, you do the little round part first and then straight down. Okay, again, I'll show you how to do it. And one more time. Please practice, boys and girls. Practice your numbers. If you're doing them from the bottom up, try practicing to do them from the top down. As you get going in higher grades, if you're doing them from the top down, it's a whole lot faster. And that's why we teach how to do them this way. So it asks, how many digits are on the line? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 digits on the line. A digit is a single number, right? Remember that? Single number. So in this pair of numbers, we have 1, 2 digits. So how many pairs do we have then? Count this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move on. So Ashley made 6 bookmarks. She gave 2 to Mateus. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many bookmarks she has now. Okay, so we're going to draw our 6 bookmarks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 6 bookmarks. Now, she gave 2 to Mateus. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many bookmarks she has now. So she's given 2 to Mateus. So I'm going to do this. 1, 2. 2 are gone to Mateus. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So our number sentence should read like this. We've got 6 bookmarks. Now, boys and girls, is this a some and some more question or some and some less question? If you notice that she gave 2 to Mateus, then you would see that it's some and some less. So it's 6 subtract 2 equals, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can do this math a little faster than I'm teaching it, that's great. If you want to follow along, that's perfectly fine too. You can also stop the video at any time. and rewind it if you need. Okay, so how many bookmarks are left? We have 4 bookmarks. So now we're going to count the money. This is a little difficult, except that if you look at it here, because I don't deal with nickels from the States, but these are all nickels. Okay, so a nickel is 5 cents. So if your parents have Canadian nickels and dimes and pennies at home, play with these pennies and dimes and nickels. And then when we meet on Zoom, you can tell me what you've learned about them. So if these are all nickels, we should be able to count them by 5s. So let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How much money is this? It's 35 cents. Now, move this just a little bit. Now it says, put these number cards in order from least to greatest. That's smallest to largest. So least to greatest. I know that when we're doing this, we have to look in the tens column, because the tens column is the bigger number than the ones column. So that'll indicate whether or not we have a bigger number or a smaller number. So we know that the 1 is the smallest, right? Because there's a 2, a 3, and a 2. So 1 is the smallest. So 16 is going to be the smallest number. Now, we've got a 2, a 3, and a 2. So we know that these 2s are smaller than the 3. So now we have to go over to the 1s. And we look, and we've got a 4 and a 7. Boys and girls, which number is smaller, a 4 or a 7? If you said 7, you're right. So if you have 24 pennies, you have less than if you have 27 pennies. So this number would be next. Then this one. And this is the last one, and it's the only one left. So we know we have 32 is our greatest or largest number. Now, down here, it says, choose 5 numbers in the hundreds number chart. So get your hundreds number chart out, add 10 to each number. So I'm gonna put the numbers in. Choose 5 numbers on the 100 chart and add them in here. So I'm gonna say 6. I'm gonna say 16. I'm gonna say 20. I'm gonna say 36. I'm gonna change it to a 26. So we'll stay with the 6s. And I'm gonna count 46. So we know this one, 6 plus 10 is 16. And we have 16 plus 10, so 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. Ooh. Seeing the pattern? 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. You see the pattern? 16, 26, 36, 46, 56. It's just counting by tens, starting at 16. So, boys and girls, I hope this is beneficial and helpful to you. I will be working on next week's ones next. Have a good day, you guys.